Okay, so morning, boys. I just wanted to run through how to open the Excel document for your random sampler section of your Census at School assessment. So what you want to do, here's the link you want to go to. I'll add it to the OneNote Census at School section of your OneNote so that you can access it nice and easily. Okay, go to this website. Alright, once we're in that website, we need to go to the Explore Data tab here. Okay, and you're to click Random Sampler. Okay, so once you have done that, you're agreeing to the conditions. Okay, and the database you want to look at. Okay, once you go into the database, you want to look at Census at School 2017. So select that one. And then once you're in there, you want to say total sample size is 25. Okay, you'll have to type that one in. And you just click Get My Sample. So that'll download a sample for you straight into Excel. Sorry about the coughing. Okay, so download the sample. Okay. So we can click on this and it will open in Excel for us. Alright. And key point here, you need to hand this in with your assignment. So I want you to save as. Okay, you're going to save it into your own section, but I'm going to save it just to my desktop. Well, actually, I'll save it to my Year 7 section. Okay. So this I'm going to save as my name, so Miss Porter Sample. You guys are to do the same. So let's say this was Deacon Sample. His would be named Deacon Sample. Okay, that's so I can identify whose is whose, although you can always do a printout for the submission. Okay, so this is where I mentioned on Friday it may look very confusing, but it's really just a set of answers that relate to what you have answered in your questionnaire already. Okay, so what you want to do once you're here is let's have a look at our Census Online document. Okay, so we've found our data set. That's this page here. So clicked on the random sampler. We've got Census at School 2017 and a sample size of 25. Okay, so we've got our sample. Now, what we're talking about here is how we can sort the data. So when it says make sure you save the data, it must be handed in with your project. Check, we've done that. Select all the data, including headings. Click data and sort. Okay, so you're going to need to do this for each of the below sections. And also as a side note, make sure that my data headings is checked. Alright, so first one, we need to get the frequency table for the dominant hand of students in the random sampler. Okay, so we're looking at the dominant hand. Alright, so let's go back to our random sampler. And now this is where it's going to get a bit confusing, so I want you to watch closely. We're going to go to the Data tab in Excel. Alright, so we're in the Data tab, and we're going to press Sort, this one here. Okay, so you notice here, this is where it has, my data has headers. You need to make sure that's checked. Mine's checked. Okay, and we want to sort by... Ours was looking for the dominant hand, so we want to sort by handed. Here we go, handed. That's going to talk about our dominant hand. And you'll notice that it may have changed the order in which it's listed, but you can see it all in handed. So in our data, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left-handed people. And then we've got from person 7 all the way to 26. Okay, remember you've actually got 25 people. This one is your titles. So remember 26 is 25 starting from 2, not 1. Okay, so that's how you sort your data, which is the most important thing. Once you've done that, you should be able to complete the following questions from page 11 onwards in your work booklet. Okay, don't worry too much about a pie graph because I want to go through that one with you, but you should be able to do the frequency tables. So questions 5A, 5A, okay, 6A and B, because you can do a column graph. You've got the checklist in your notes. Okay, you should be able to do 7 by creating the table. Okay, we've looked at mean, mode, and median. If you want a shortcut, there are these here, and you can use them in your Excel. Otherwise, you can calculate them as we've done in class. Okay, don't worry about the box plot. That's again another thing I want to go through in class. However, if you feel like attempting these for whatever reason, go right ahead if it makes sense to you. All right. Other than that, if you haven't done your questionnaire online, please do so in class today. All right, and hopefully I'll be seeing you boys tomorrow. Bye.